Welcome to the Ultimate AI Crypto Showdown. In this video, we will be introducing you to the top 4 most innovative and exciting AI powered crypto coins. And these coins are taking the crypto world by storm. These coins are not only changing the game in terms of technology, but also have the potential to change the way that we live our lives. With features like decentralized autonomous agents, multi chain support, smart ledgers, and other real world use cases, this is the future of cryptocurrency. So grab your popcorn and get ready for action-packed journey as we dive deep into the AI crypto world. Ahead, this is a really important fact that I want to make sure that you guys know because you are looking at something which is going to grow tremendously in future, and by 2030 we will see the growth rate which is going to go crazy. And you can see right now the global AI market size is projected to grow from USD 387.45 billion in 2022 to USD 1,394 billion in 2029 at a CAGR of 20.1%. So this is not a small number. You have to understand this will include a lot of money coming in from big companies who are creating these solutions for lack of employees or lack of people who are doing productive work for them. So AI is going to replace a lot of people in the job force, but it is also going to create a lot of different jobs because of this, and how this investment is going to get into different kind of industries including healthcare, supply chain, finances, and everything else. So you need to understand the value that will come into this space, because how we see chat gpt and openai getting so big in only few days, we understand that this is the industry that is going to get a lot of traction in futures. And I'm trying to get this message through to you that it is a technology and you need to understand it based on how it will be used. So this is why we are trying to get through to this process and use it with blockchain technology as well. But for this particular video, we will be talking about top 4 AI coins in cryptocurrency market, and this is coming from the data that is on coinmarketcap.com. I will use these top 4 coins by their market cap because that's the most safe way to understand that these have had some confidence. And there are so many other AI coins in the list here. You can have a look at those in your own time and you can read about them, understand the technology. It is like a rabbit hole, obviously, because there is so much use cases in here. It is really an early stage for them. So the market cap, if you see, of the whole crypto AI market is more than $2 billion, which has increased in past few days. You can see a lot of these coins are in green right now, but we will focus on the graph, SingularityNET, Fetch.ai. Fetch.ai, I have talked and made a whole video about this coin in my previous video. I will link it in the description, so make sure you watch that one. That also gives a lot of fact about it. And then the fourth one will be Ocean Protocol, which is also 20% higher in the last 7 days. You can see these have seen the traction in past few days, especially because of the trend that we are seeing in the past few days with AI in general, because of OpenAI and other AI tools coming into play. So let's get right into it and go to graph. As discussed earlier, we will be talking about these AI crypto coins in terms of their market cap, and from top to bottom, you can see the graph is at the highest market cap in this range of AI crypto coins, and it is more than $727 million in market cap. So the graph is a decentralized protocol for indexing and querying data from blockchains, which can be considered as a decentralized alternative to Google's centralized services. So this is basically giving data indexing and querying services, but in a decentralized fashion. So it allows developers to build and publish open APIs, which are called subgraphs. So these application can use graph query language, which is something similar to Google's query language, and which also provides it in a decentralized fashion. So this provides easy access to data from different blockchain networks. As we know, this will be used in multiple blockchain systems because how it interacts with them, and it is really important for a multi-chain future. So if you see that it also provides tools for developers to easily create and manage subgraphs, making it possible to create decentralized application with minimal technical knowledge same time. So if you go below on the website, it says a global graph QL API. So subgraphs can be composed into a global graph of all the world's public information. This data can be transformed, organized, and shared across applications for anyone to query with just a few keystrokes. So this is something as in comparison to Google. Google is a centralized version of this, and they provide the query language as well, and that is the centralized version of the query language. They have control over it, and here this is going to be decentralized. If they become successful in this, they will be able to provide this data while making the information public. So you can say goodbye to custom servers. Before the graph, teams had to develop, operate proprietary indexing servers. This required significant engineering and hardware resources and broke the important security properties required for decentralization. So Web3 is a new stack for radically better internet. That's how they have given their data. This is the public data, encrypted private data in between. Blockchains and their storage networks will be on one side of it, and then Graph will do the indexing and API and give it directly to the customer. So something which is really good one for future because it has a lot of use cases. So number 2 is FET, which is Fetch.AI. It is sitting at 136 in CoinMarketCap rankings right now. The last 7 days it has pumped 55.26%. It's currently sitting at a price of $0.24 dollars. If you go to their main page here, it will take us to Fetch.AI, and you can see their market cap is 202,568,000 right now, which has increased 3.95%. If you look at their all-time data, you will see how much they have pumped in last few. I think this has only started in 2019, so it launched on start of March there, and you can see it was all-time high at 0.83 cents, and right now sitting at 0.25, so which is very low. It is kind of a bargain price right now because of the current market condition as well. So if you want to watch a full video regarding Fetch.ai, you can watch the video. I will link in here. I have created this last week only, so it is really up to date. You can have a look and learn more about Fetch.ai. So basically it's autonomous agent technology, which is peer-to-peer applications with automation and AI capabilities. As you know, this is really important in AI sector. You might not know as well because it's really new, but this will be really required if we get more companies using AI, and they will need someone who will be a better communicator in there. So you can see they have different agents you can build and deploy, which is easy for developers. Fetch.ai is a network of interchain protocol based on Cosmos SDK and uses a high performance VASM based smart contract language, and you can see it is interoperable with other blockchains as well. So this is a good one as well. So number 3 is SingularityNET, which is AGIX, and it is sitting at 17 cents right now. It is down 10% from last one day, and it has increased 150% in last 7 days only. So this is a coin which is focusing on one of the big concept in artificial intelligence, which is singularity. So singularity is the point where all these technologies become one and they are part of one big system. So this is what they are trying to do. They are trying to create a decentralized system which has all the technologies together. So AGI means artificial general intelligence, and that's what they are pushing for. You can see their website. Their vision is that core mission is to develop the artificial general intelligence for beneficial technological singularity. So this is what they mean by this concept. They will act as a marketplace for these technologies, and obviously they will be decentralized. So think of them as a decentralized AWS marketplace, and it will have even more than AWS and other technologies. So decentralizing AI through emerging blockchain technology, creating a fair distribution of power, value, and technology in global commons. So if you want to know more about this, I can create a separate video for this one, because this is a big topic and we can talk about this one in further, more time, and obviously we will have more space to know about this kind of technology, because this is a bigger concept than just a few minutes. So let me know in the comment section below so that I can create another video for this. Before going ahead, just a quick reminder that this video is just a short description of these protocols and cryptocurrencies in AI, and obviously there is more to these cryptocurrencies. If you want to know more about it, please comment in the comment section below. I will create videos like the ones I have created for Fetch.AI, so you can understand more about these if you want to. I will also put a link in the description for CoinMarketCap AI category, so you can have a look for other crypto tokens in the AI section as well. So let's go further with number 4, which is Ocean Protocol, which is going by the ticker symbol Ocean, and the rank is 155 right now, sitting at 0.27 right now, which is 4.25% up. If you see that their all-time high was around 1.81, so that was in November, I think, 2021. So that was a long time ago, but obviously they are picking up slowly now again because of the crypto market picking up. So if you go to their website, they're basically tell you more about them, and you can see the Ocean market is different. They have some collaboration with VeChain as well. So they have a Polygon hard fork going on. So let's see what's going on here. The protocol is a World Economic Forum technology pioneer, as featured in New York Times, BBC, Forbes, Wired, Harvard Business Review, and they have given a lot of NFTs and other data about it, and how they will be using it for data governance as well. Let's see some more. They have a marketplace, they have an academy. Let's see their collaborators. So let's see. So they are working with XPRIZE, Mobi, Mercedes-Benz, Roche, Zulk, TestFlight, your company. You can add it to this as well. Talking to them, they have service partners here, which are DSC, Proto, Fire. Ecosystem collaborators are Zero Chain, Alliance Block, Balancer, Bancor. A lot of these are known name, Dimitra, Energy Web. So big names here. You can see that obviously they will have different services, which will make it easier for people to use data in the future. So I can create a separate video for this one as well, because they haven't given much information here on their website. Is basically based on their service partners mainly, not the customers directly. So we can create a separate video for this one. So if you can see this description, which says we work closely with our collaborator and service partners to iterate on the network's underlying technology and to deliver world-class Web3 experiences built on top of Ocean Protocol to enterprises. So mainly they are building for enterprises, which is where the adoption is kind of going in, and you can see that they have different partners. So I will create another video about this one, because this thing need more in-depth analysis for this, and we can do that in a separate video. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.